So for all the guys and girls at home who find rolling quite difficult, what's the secret, Josh?
The secret is a good sleeve, a good tray, and load up. Now make sure your sleeve's loaded. On this occasion, because it's a small area, I like to spread it out and then go through and tip it off. Always try to roll as tight as I can to my ceiling, to my corners, to my woodwork. That way you eliminate a lot of picture framing.
So what do you mean by
you get a nice uniform finish. So as I'm tipping off, I'll spread it all out and then I'll go through up and down, nice motion like that, up and downwards. So that way I'm spreading out or flattening out the paint and making the whole wall as one even coat. Yeah, just and even when you're doing big walls as well, always work back into your wall and then go back out again. You dip, spread it back out, then back into where you've already worked, and then back out again. So you're always keeping that wet edge.